What's the meaning of autoerotic? Autoerotic. Autoerotic.
Auto-erotic. Auto-erotic. The term autoerotic refers to sexual behaviors that are performed solo, without the involvement of a partner. This can include masturbation, but also encompasses a wide range of other activities that individuals may engage in for sexual arousal and pleasure. The result of engaging in autoerotic activities varies from person to person, but can include feelings of sexual satisfaction and release of tension or stress. It is important to note that engaging in any type of sexual behavior should always be done consensually and with regard for personal safety.